Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mac photos using Photos Library Export, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Mac photos using the Photos Library Export, start by opening the Photos app on your Mac. Once the app is open, navigate to the Photos tab located in the left sidebar. Select the photos or albums you want to backup. To select multiple photos, hold down the Command key while clicking on each photo. If you want to backup an entire album, simply click on the album in the sidebar. After making your selection, go to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Export. You will have two options, Export one photo or Export X photos, where X is the number of selected photos. If you are exporting multiple photos, a dialog box will appear asking how you'd like to export them. Select your preferred file format from JPEG, TIFF, or PNG. You can also adjust other options such as photo kind and file name. Once you've made your selections, click on the Export button. Next, choose the location where you want to save the exported photos. You can select an external hard drive, a USB drive, or even a folder on your desktop. After selecting the location, click Export. The Photos app will begin exporting your selected photos. This process may take some time depending on the number of photos you are exporting. Once the export is complete, navigate to the location where you saved your photos to verify the backup. You can open a few exported photos to ensure they have been backed up correctly. For added safety, consider copying the exported files to another external drive or cloud storage. After confirming that your backup is successful, you can close the Photos app. Regularly backing up your photos ensures they are safe from data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.